Avenatti never saw it coming. His presidential race against Trump is over. The hits just keep on coming for creepy Stormy lawyer Michael Avenatti. Earlier this month, a judge smacked down Daniels and Avenatti's defamation suit against the president, even ordering the pair to pay Trump's legal fees. Now Avenatti is having to cough up more dough to cover for his mistakes. After his multiple frivolous lawsuits, his false accusations against Kavanaugh, and his hints that he will run for president in 2020, he's giving Democrats an even worse name than they already had. And now he's getting hit with another round of bad news, this time from Sanctuary State, California. From CNBC, a California judge on Monday ordered Stormy Daniels' lawyer Michael Avenatti to pay $4.85 million to an attorney at his former law firm, the first time the potential presidential candidate is being held personally liable in the case. Avenatti did not appear at the court hearing and never filed opposing arguments in the case. The judge said Avenatti must pay the money because he personally guaranteed a settlement with Jason Frank, who had worked at his former firm. Share if you think Michael Avenatti is the worst thing to happen to Democrats since President Trump. This isn't the first time that Avenatti has been told by the court to pay his former employee. In May 2018, Patriot Journal covered the story of a bankruptcy court judge who ordered Avenatti's former firm to pay $10 million to Frank after Avenatti failed to compensate him for his work and lied about how much money the firm made. This latest $4.85 million settlement is being added on top of the $10 million Avenatti already owes. Ouch. That's got to hurt. Avenatti has been trying to weasel his way out of paying for months, even claiming that it was Jason Frank who owed him $12 million, despite having no evidence to support that. But the courts are determined to make Avenatti pay up, not just to Frank, but to the government. The Justice Department is also hounding Avenatti over his former firm's failure to pay $440,000 in federal taxes. By the time his 15 minutes of fame runs out, Avenatti will go back to being a broke nobody who will be lucky to get a job at McDonald's. Hopefully this guy stays in the news. Republicans will ride his antics to victory in November. Share if you're part of the red wave to keep the corrupt Democrats out of power. Source: CNBC. Let's block ads.